Hey, what up everybody? Today we're making ramen noodles. Ramen noodles are real delicious. I cook them in a pot and pan, not ingredients. I just add some extra stuff. So I'm gonna show you stuff that I add to it. The secret ingredient that I add to my ramen noodles. The secret ingredient that I add to my ramen noodles is Spam. Spam is very tasty. Let's do it. I use ponzu sauce, sriracha for the spice, sugar for the Spam, and last but not least, the ramen. And I don't have any ramen, so I'm gonna go to the store. Hey, I'm back from the store. Got the ramen. All right. So to start, let's get some water boiling. So now we got that on the hot. It's getting hot. We can start preparing the Spam. Lay it out. Over here, we're gonna need the Spam, sugar, knife. Got the Spam. Gonna get pan. Put it next to that. Grab butter. Grab a macaroni. Grab Spam. Get the butter. Butter. Blue. That's a decent amount of the butter. Put that there. Am I recording? Put the butter back. That thing's gonna be terrible. We gotta get the sugar. Sugar's behind you here. Sugar. Oh, we better have sugar. Oh my God. Do I gotta go get sugar? So we didn't have sugar, so I had to go buy some. But we got it over here now. Sugar, baby. And turn that heat back on. Actually, this time we're gonna use ghee, because ghee is also very good. And I saw it in here when I was looking for the sugar. I'm trying to use some of this. This is clarified butter. Very good. So we're some. It's easy. Alright, and then I don't really know how to measure this, but I'm gonna grab it on a spoonful here. Put some of that in there. Maybe a little bit more. Alrighty. Try not to close that too tight. Alright, I'm gonna get a nice little coating in there. A little bit more. So 3 spoonfuls, tablespoons, as I believe they're called. Alright. See, I'm out. Does this work? Oh. There. So here, I tip it over, and we're gonna do some slices. Try and do, I think 3 is a good amount. That's normally what I do. 3 of them. You grab grab some of these. Make sure they're working. Is it hot yet? Woo! A little too hot. All right. So now we gotta work fast now. We're gonna take sugar. We're gonna coat Spam. And then we're gonna put, oh gosh, this might be bad. We're gonna put sugar side down. Ow, ow, ow. All right. Put some sugar on the top. Put a flip. Okay. Let that cook. We got that bad boy's boiling. Oh, it's getting hectic. The ramen. Grab your chopsticks. Grab your favorite chopsticks. There we go. Sure all that's submerged in there. All right. Read the instructions. Let's get our bowl ready. There. Woo. Look at that. Ooh, doggy. I'm actually going to take that off. Get the strainer. All right, I think. Oh, let's get everything out. Let's see. Got ponzu. Muy importante. Sesame seeds. My favorite part is rice seasoning, but it goes really well in ramen. I'm gonna call these, drain it in the We'll try it. Try this fancy egg. It's hot. Alright, alright, alright. But I'm gonna try that. Some of that. Bing, bam, boom. And then we just add some of the, get the ponzu. Listen to that. The sprinkles on there. Not gone according to plan at all. Meet you over at the table. Let's do it. Well, we got our ramen. Now it's just time for the taste test. I don't think that I did a good job at all. I did not do a good job at all. I overcooked the noodles, I believe. Try one of these. I mean, it's eatable. I could eat it. Now you've seen me try to make ramen. That's how I do it. Not very good. But not very bad. This has been your boy Schmitty making ramen. That's it. That's all there is to it. You have a good day. The 6 or 7 people that'll watch this. Spam is good. Spam is good.